Sunspots, also referred to as age or liver spots, are a common form of hyperpigmentation. These are small, flat and brown spots that develop on the skin. These darkened patches usually appear on areas exposed to the sun, such as the face, hands, shoulders and arms. True sunspots are harmless and non-cancerous and can be lightened or removed for cosmetic purposes. A common treatment for hyperpigmentation and sunspots is a chemical called hydroquinone. With the recent safety concern regarding the use of hydroquinone, the need for alternative, safe and effective skin lightening agents is becoming all the more necessary. In today's video, I'll reveal how to naturally get rid of sunspots. I'll also go through 4 other benefits of this remedy for your skin and how to easily incorporate it into your routine. Let's dive in. Hello and welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to achieve an optimal state of health within your mind and body with a little help from Mother Nature, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss any future uploads. There are many procedures and treatments that claim to remove or lessen the appearance of sunspots on your skin. Licorice extract is a common ingredient in many cosmetic creams, as it has been shown to lighten skin hyperpigmentation, mostly caused by sun damage. If you have sunspots, licorice can restore the skin to a lighter color when applied to the darkened areas daily. It's an exciting, all-natural treatment for those looking to avoid using a chemical on their skin. If you're suffering from melasma, which can be triggered by hormonal changes during pregnancy, licorice extract is a great solution to help lighten the skin after delivery. Here are 4 ways licorice will also promote a healthy and youthful looking skin. 1. It's a natural remedy for skin conditions. Licorice root contains over 300 compounds, some of which demonstrate potent anti-inflammatory, antibacterial and antiviral properties. Glycyrrhizin, an active component in licorice root, has a strong anti-inflammatory activity that is similar to cortisol and steroids. It has been shown to significantly improve symptoms like swelling, itching and burning of the skin in conditions characterized by inflammation, such as psoriasis and atopic dermatitis or eczema. Licorice can also be effective against bacteria that can infect the skin. Using extracts from the leaves and roots, one study conducted by the Iranian Journal of Pharmaceutical Research showed antimicrobial activity against Staphylococcus aureus. 2. It provides natural sun protection. In addition to brightening up sunspots, licorice extract has the potential to alleviate the discomfort and inflammation associated with sunburn. When applied topically, the glycerin content can help bring your skin to a smooth and lighter tone, which stops the skin from darkening after sun exposure. Licorice also contains UV-blocking enzymes that help protect you from future damage. 3. Acne treatment. Licorice also helps balance oil production, making this ingredient suitable for all skin types, including oily and sensitive skin. The soothing antioxidant properties also help calm the skin and reduce redness. This includes patched and flushed redness experienced by those who suffer with rosacea, allowing the skin to repair faster. Licorice helps to speed up the healing process by evening out the skin tone of scars, particularly on darker skin tones. 4. It reduces premature skin aging. Licorice helps regenerate elastin and collagen. It also contains amino acids which are known to moisturize and rehydrate the skin. In addition, research has noted the inhibitory effects of the extract on tyrosinase and elastase. These, coupled with their anti-inflammatory activity, indicated excellent anti-aging properties. How to use licorice root topically. To reap all the skin benefits, simply add 2 drops of licorice extract to your moisturizer or toner and apply it to your skin once or twice daily. You can also apply it underneath your eyes if you have dark circles. Make sure to get the extract in a tincture that is alcohol-free. Are you a health nut? Join the Health Nut Hour today, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell notification, and I'll keep you updated on future videos. See you in the next one.